Hello, I'd like to talk a little bit now about how to generate an accuracy report for 1090 using Interlaboratory cross-check program data, or in this case, we'll be looking at ASTM PTP data. Okay, to do that, we go to our drop-down, pick ILCP for Interlaboratory cross-check program. Okay, that takes us here. We'll be looking at an RFG sample in the Houston lab, and we'll look at sulfur. So there we go, and we'll apply our filter. Okay, now if you want to know how to get data, we've got some data here. If you want to know how to get data in here, it's quite simple. You choose a file. In this case, we'll pop one open, but you would choose a file here, and what that file is it looks like this. This is downloaded directly from ASTM's website. It's got an index here where all of these tests that were run for the PTP are here, and then there's data on each of these pages, and the way it works is you can click on any of these links and it'll take you directly to the page where those results are. And so here's all the results from the ASTM file, where every laboratory is given a unique laboratory code that changes every time the PTP gets run. So this isn't a static lab code, it's a dynamic lab code that pops up new for every lab every time it runs. Okay, so this is what the file looks like, and you download it directly from ASTM's website. So in this situation, what you do is you'd go ahead and pick your file. We'll pick the RFG file, and then you would enter your unique facility ID that was assigned for that round of the PTP. Now this data's already been added, so I'm not going to add it now, but that's what you would do. You would just enter your facility ID, and then all the data would auto-populate here. Okay. And so we are looking at D2622 sulfur by WDXRF. If we went down here and we wanted to perform a 1090 check, all the calculations are done here where we're doing the 1090 check. But if you want to generate a report, you would have to select a fuel type. We're looking at gasoline, and a location. We're in Houston. And then we can generate the report right here for any round of the PTP. So let me just click one right here, and it pops open, and it's a EPA compliance report for accuracy. It's got the program, WDXRF, gasoline, the location, the date the report was generated, and here's all the relevant 1090 checks: the round, the value, the mean, standard deviation, the pretreated result, the appropriate 1090 delta, the critical value, and a pass-fail. You can put in your comments here. The applicable date, that date would be applicable to when the PTP was run. So let's say it's Q1 2024. And if there was a specific user code for that, then the user code would be entered here. My unique user code was 0022. And the assessment outcome is not fail, it is in fact pass, so good. So you can save that to a file, or you can print it. We'll look at the print modal real quick. There it is. There's a compliance report right there. You can print it, or you can, let's go back. There we go. Or we can save it, and it's saved to a file. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.